Hey, Tim here. I didn't feel like recording today. Of course, when do I feel like doing anything? Dang, I let the house go yesterday. I don't do that. That's usually what gets me started. I had some other stuff I wanted to take care of. Dang, I went out to my daughter's. She's in Augusta. I hadn't heard from her for a while, or her husband. We used to talk a lot. And wife had been in the ground almost a quarter year since they've been out. So, dang, probably more for me. I went to clear the air. I went out, drove out there. He has to be to work at noon, weird hours. But so I went out there and he was taking the day off anyway. But then I went out there and cleared the air, asked them why they was ghosting me, and they were just avoiding things. And my daughter, she asked her, why, she's like, well, I feel like if I come out there, I'm going to be so sad because usually I'm sitting there talking to mom in the kitchen and blah, blah, and I'm like, dang, baby, don't you think I'm going to be sad going out there and not see you talking to her? And, yeah, well, I'm like, baby, you got to take care of this stuff. I said, you got to deal with it. I said, I'm living with it. You come out here a year later, you're going to hash all this right back up for me, man. You got to deal with these things. Well, you're right. I need to la la la. And she started texting and talking and stuff. I ain't heard nothing about coming out or anything, but like I say, it was more for me. And I kind of pushed it a little further because they're the kind of people that don't like confrontation and, oh no, everything discomfort. Oh no, man, I got to have it my way. And I don't know. I don't know. I don't want to talk bad about it, but well, yeah, because it is bad. You need to vent. But anyways, the reason I'm bringing this up is because I'm trying to get things so I ain't got little things poking in my head with all this other stuff, like just small things like, dang, I need to put this hose up, or, things messes, and trying to get everything organized and stuff, because everything that bothers me now is like double. Because, well, like a few days ago, I had a sad tummy, and I'd feel it, and then with the pain of my pain, it was like double. I had like double stomach pains because it was hurting there and it was hurting from hurting. And like I say, I just want to keep shit cleaned up. I don't know, boy, it's crazy. But push, I guess. Like I say, some days but I still feed my damn dogs. I got a dog kennel. Still take care of this and take care of that. And then when that's done, that's when the stuff starts setting in too. So like I say, action's law, man. I got to keep going even when you don't want to. But I don't know, that dang, you got to deal with things, I guess. And it's still hard. I'm gonna try to find some more things to do. I'm trying to think of maybe volunteering some time somewhere, but I don't know how people do it with, stuff unorganized. Yeah, but if you're in debt and stuff too, I don't know how you do that. Like I told my mom, because I ain't been sleeping much. I've been getting like 4 to 6 hours sleep, and that's it's actually getting better. But dang, I lost my train of thought. Oh yeah, my mom, she's like, because I was saying, well, I just sleep when I can, and that way, blah blah. She's like, well, you're lucky you can do that. And I was like, luck had nothing to do with it. I said, hell, I drove around in beaters. I wore shitty clothes because I was raising 4 kids. I paid my dues. I know it drives her crazy, me dang retiring early or whatever you want to call it. I'm still working. I'm still making money. And now I'm going through this. I I don't know. I guess the point is I'm just trying to take care of things, getting the clutter out of my mind so it ain't double for my feelings, and I can find new things to do. I mean, check out my other videos for all this happened. I mean, all that, and then I went into a boohoo stage, and then of course it was because I got videos of where I was getting her home and arranging for the burial out here and getting the cemetery plot going and all that stuff. But check out some of my other videos, man. Like, share, subscribe. If you're going through things like I am, man, come back, stick around. I'm gonna push. There's got to be a cure to this thing. Even if you aren't going through hard times and stuff, man, prepare yourself. Things can turn on a dime. I mean, if you got the perfect family, perfect damn job, perfect everything, and everything's beautiful, I mean, you will be tested, and pride comes before a fall. I don't know, but I got that ebook down below. That's free, totally free. It says maybe put a donation of $3, put 0 in there. It's a beginner's guide to making an ebook. You can make ebooks, courses, all kinds of stuff. Boy, you can make some damn money online. There's other ways to hustle too. I got a video in there how I mean, it pays my electric bill. I'm making trim. It's an easy way to make money. Quick cash, something, I forget what the name of the video was. I don't know. I was spitting them out and whatever. Anyway, like, share, subscribe, get your stuff done, get your head straight. Prepare. I mean, hope for the best, prepare for the worst, man. That's just the way it is. I don't know, Bo. I'm gonna take care of business. I'm gonna try to get something done. I woke up out of the hole kind of, well, when don't I? Anyway, I'll quit rambling on, taking up your time, man. Just man, push yourself. Go. I mean, I don't know, man. Everything's on the other side of what you don't want to do, man. I'll talk to y'all later. Peace out.
Here at the scene where a woman killed her husband because he stepped on the floor while she was mopping. Has the woman already been arrested?
Not yet. We're waiting for the floor to dry.
Here